Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna clean this 100X Stetson hat, El Presidente, and it's a light color hat. This process I'm gonna teach you guys today, it's going to be the same for the dark color as well. The only difference is that you're gonna use light color cleaner instead of a dark one. So everything, the whole process is the same on both. And I wore this in the rain actually, and it kind of like stand out. I don't know if you guys can see it there. Let's see. You kind of see the little spots. Let me zoom in a little bit. Hold on, guys. Okay, see the little spots there? It's like stained. I'm not sure what's going on, so I'm gonna try to take that off today and see how it goes. Let me fix the zoom section here. Alright, should be good. Cool. So first what I do is I'm gonna clean the hat off with one of these brushes. I use the light color obviously for the light hats, and then the dark one for the dark one, but it's up to you. You can use this one for the dark one, but always keep them separate. Once you do, clean a hat, keep it for that specific hat as well. Cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna dust this thing off. Let me move this real quick. You might see some powder come up. You see that stain in the back there? We're gonna see that comes off. So I just dust it off. It's not really dusty. I just want to get that stuff off that you guys see back there. I don't know if you guys see it back here. Where's that little stain there? Oh, it kind of brushed off already, which is cool. Alright. See, even with the little brush, it takes off some stuff. It seems like it's already kind of cleaning off with the brush, which is cool. But I'll still do the process here. You see, it's kind of cleaning off with just the brush. Sometimes we have a little bit of dust, a little bit of dirt, I'm sorry. You could just brush it off, so you don't have to do the whole process if you just have a little thing on there. But that's what I do. Go counterclockwise. Just keep dusting it. And I know you guys have your own way of doing it, like, oh, that's not the way you do it. Well, I'm gonna do it my way, guys, so you do it your own way, buddy. I'm gonna do it my way. It kind of took off the little stains that it had already, which is pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be stained for a while with that rain. That's pretty cool. So maybe for rain, once it it kind of dries out and you see a stain, you could, not a stain, but like a little mark, you can just brush it off. But today, yep, I'm gonna clean the whole hat. Might be a little dirty. See right there? We'll just check it out. So now, after I dust it off, what I'm going to do is spray this felt hat cleaner for light color. I spray a good amount. It really doesn't matter how much you spray, but spray a good amount, and you'll see the little powder come up. So I spray it really good all around, and it looks forms like a little powdery on top. Can't really see it, but it's like a little powder. Let me see it there. There we go. Cool. And what I do is spray all of it. So you spray it. And it's gonna build a little layer, extra thick layer, and then you let it dry for about 5 minutes. Let me get up in here. There's a little stain in here. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let this dry for about 5 minutes. And I'll be right back. So that layer they're talking about is just a little bit of a little powder. That's gonna be able to see it on the hat. You can see on my hand a little better. Okay, see it on there? Slowly drying. Okay, see it there. See a little white powder. So that's what you have to do, is wait for a little bit. I'm still waiting, guys, so be right back. Alright, so I let it dry for about 5 minutes. You can still see the little bit of that layer that I was talking about. Cool. And then what I do now is just pretty much just dust it off. That top layer of dust. It picks up the, it picks up the dirt that's in the hat and lifts it up with that spray, which is cool. So just dust it off same way as you cleaned it. And it's pretty cool. Oh shit, sorry about that. Real simple process. Some people just make it more difficult than it is. Cool. All that stuff came off, which is good. Alright. Cool. Oh. Alright. Pretty good. Looks pretty neat. A lot more cleaner than before. Alright, cool. Let's do that bottom part. So it was really dirty at this part here. So I'm just gonna see how it comes out. Oh, there's dust everywhere. So it did take off the dirt, which is cool. Oh wow. Ooh, it's dusty in here. So it took off that little stain that had in the back of that hat there. Cool. See how dirty it gets inside? Maybe you guys can see it from there, but there it goes. So remember, just clean that off with a wipe or something. So counterclockwise. Cool. Get the edges. Cool. So that's how you do it. You can repeat the process. It was really dirty, but it looks pretty good to me. Took off that water stuff. Which is cool. Took off the stain in the back that I had back here. That's cool. Alright, that's it. Pretty much done. And then you just let it sit there for a while. You just let it make sure everything's clean. Everything's good. Ready to go. And then what I use, just that's my personal preference. You don't have to use it. After another 5 minutes, I put this hat stiffener just to make it nice and hard. It doesn't affect nothing on the hat, but it just makes it, you know, pretty much nice and sturdy. And then after that, I spray this, the Fout protector, water protector, but make sure this one dries good, and then wait another 10 minutes and then spray this one. That's it, guys. That's pretty much it. So remember, for light color, use light color hats. For dark color, use dark one. Then, you know the process. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. See ya.